People send us a lot of emails about some tools that they've seen us use here in the VATV shop. And one that always gets a lot of questions is the dent pull system that we use, because we have a very versatile tool called the original Maxi, and it's sold by Dent. And what makes it versatile is the fact that it can be used in a variety of different ways to pull small dents and even shrink stretched metal without doing a lot of damage to the panel. Now, in the old days, to pull a dent, a lot of times you'd drill a hole in a panel and affix a screw to the panel and a slide hammer and pull it out, but then you're stuck with a panel that's full of holes. The Maxi allows you to weld the tip of the tool right to the panel and then pull the dent and then just twist it and it breaks loose. This way you can pull dents without putting new holes in the panel. And it's not just using the tip of the tool, you can use it with a lever action, which gives you more strength to pull tighter dents. Or the other thing that's kind of neat about it is the use of what's called wiggle wire. The wiggle wire is a conductive, high-strength wire that you weld to the dent over a series of points, and then you can connect a hook or a slide hammer or other pulling mechanism to pull long creases out of panels. Again, it breaks right off and you don't have to fill holes that were left behind. So you'll see us use the Maxi on all kinds of different situations. Another one we run into quite often is where metal is stretched. These cars are pretty old, they might have been hit several times, and when you pound on metal you stretch it and we need to pull it back into shape. So the Maxi allows you to apply spot heated areas that as soon as you apply the heat and you break the tool loose, it starts to shrink the panel back into its original shape, minimizing the use of body filler, and it's got less hammer and dollying. So the Maxi is a go-to tool for us here in the VATV shop.